Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely great for keeping things clean, especially electronics, but you can use this thing. It is so powerful. You can use it to blow leaves out of your windowsill. You can use it to clean your car, even dry your car. It is pretty awesome. So this is an electric air duster. It was sent over by a company called Minthouz. It's going to come in this little box right here, and you're going to get everything you need. So naturally, quick start guide, user manual, we're covering everything right here in the video. Now, you are gonna get a USB to USB Type-C cable here. This is how you're gonna charge up the battery on here. This thing does have a nice, powerful 8,000 mAh battery. What does that mean on the turbo highest setting? You're gonna get about 12 minutes runtime. On the lower setting, you're gonna get about 2 hours of runtime. So it has a nice long range as far as utilizing that power built into the device. And it takes about 3 hours to fully charge up the battery if it's dead. In addition to that, you're gonna get like 2 little brushes. You're gonna get a kind of thinner, stiffer one here, and one that I would call almost like a makeup brush, if you will. Then you're gonna get a little arm strap. I don't have this attached because I just don't utilize it. If you do want this around your wrist, you can do that. It's also adjustable, but you can put this on or remove it, up to you. But then as you can see, here is the compressed air fan. Very nice size. Give you an idea of the size. It is about 2 3/4 inches by 1.5 inches by 5.5 inches in height. You're gonna have your intake on the one side and the fan output on the other side. On the back, you have your USB-C port. That is where you are going to charge it up. On the front, you have your power button. You just simply press that to turn it on. And then on the side, you're gonna have a little slider that has a minus and plus. That is how you're gonna adjust the speed of this thing. On the higher end, it is gonna have 180,000 RPMs. This thing can really launch some air at you. You're gonna be able to feel it across the room. It is really, really powerful. On the low end, you're gonna have about 65,000 RPM. So nice ride range as far as cleaning out all that dust. Instead of buying all those little canned air things, this thing is gonna get all that dust. Now you're gonna get a nice little attachment. So first off, you're gonna get your kind of wide attachment here. All these simply screw in. Now this is gonna funnel it down, which is gonna be great if you're wanting to get the water off your car, if you're wanting to basically remove any leaves off your porch, you'll be able to utilize this. Now you got also a kind of flat one here. Once again, also great to utilize if you're wanting to funnel that air. It can kind of fold in more in a vertical position here. You can also hold it sideways. So it's basically narrowing that down, that air, making it even stronger. And then finally, if you're looking to clean out like electronics, it's got kind of the little pointed one here. So this is perfect for getting in nooks and crannies, especially like electronics. If you want to blow out all that dust, use it on the lower settings. It is easy to utilize and clean. All these little heads, once again, very, very easy to remove and utilize. You can also screw them on the backside if you want to utilize this as a suction. So you do have that option, and then they'll blow anything out the other side. But overall, really, really cool device. It beats having any of those canned airs. If you are looking for a great way to clean your windows, clean your car, clean your electronics, get a dust-free environment, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.